Okay, it's about 6 a.m. Starting this process. Got 2 full chimney starters of Royal Oak lump charcoal going. I'm going to throw in the fire. I'm going to use that primarily as my heat today. I'm not going to really trip about wood, specifically because I'm going to use Western cherry barbecue cooking chunks. Really want that red cherry scent and look on these ribs, and this is why. The Killer Hog hot rub combined with this homemade rub which I put together, which has a significant amount of paprika. I was really trying to get that red color to it, and everything I'm using today is designed to enhance that color, that flavor. Cherry wood, Killer Hogs, a brown sugar paprika based homemade rub, and as I said, on the mist, a combination of red wine vinegar, red wine, cooking wine, just a less than maybe a teaspoon of liquid smoke with some water as a base. So we'll see how this thing comes out. As I said, these are going over to my daughters today. Frankly, this is a crapshoot because I have no idea what the weather's going to be like. Forecast says we should be mostly dry up until about 5. In Dayton, Ohio, sometimes it doesn't work out that way. It does what it wants to do. So let's take a look over here. I'm going to reposition the probe on the perfect draft this go round. These Lavalock plates really do a wonderful job of distributing the heat. On this cooker, the hot side is consistently over here by the chimney or smokestack. So I'm going to put the probe for the perfect draft over here so that I can control the temperature. This is the hot side, so if I can keep the perfect draft regulating around 250 degrees, usually there's about a 10-degree difference near the water pan and the closer to the firebox side. So I'm thinking 250 on this side, maybe 235 on this side. I would be very, very satisfied with that. So everything's prepped. I'm trying to keep it as simple and streamlined as possible in case I get hit with rain and I need to shut down. So I'm not doing a lot of pulling things out and just kind of playing around with things. I'm trying to keep it simple, but I'm also doing a little experimentation. I love when I get to take stuff to other people's houses because then I get to experiment and see how people react. As I said, I'm not going to sauce these ribs. I am going to wrap them though, and this time to the wrap, usually we use, of course, the brown sugar, butter, honey combination, but I really like that Captain Rodney's Scotch bonnet pepper bouquet glaze, and I'm going to add a line of that as well. And then we're going to let these bad boys rest and transport, and we'll see how people like them. Whether they like them, whether they don't like them. It's easier when I get to experiment. So with that, let's upload this one. Let's get started.